Yes. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Happy Wednesday. Hi guys. How's everyone doing? Well, I'm here today. We are here today walking home. But first of all, we just need to stop over to a shop. My son needs to check something. Well, thanks for watching. Whoever is watching, happy Wednesday. So we're here walking from the shop, but we need to go to the other shops first before going home. Well, today is freezing cold weather, and as you can see, plants are frosted and there are salts scattered over the streets and over the stairs to prevent us to prevent people from sleeping. Mahirap pong madulas dito. So we are crossing the street to go to the other end of the shopping center.
Oh, it's a dust. It's Koya scarf.
So guys, today is Wednesday. I hope you are having a great day. Even if you are working, just enjoy what you are doing, guys. So there's still plenty of shops that are having sales. I used to work on retail shops, retail and hospitality industries, and that's why I knew the reason why January most of the shops are on sale, because January is always a quiet time after Christmas season, because people already have bought all the presents during Christmas and they don't have money during January. So shops wants to increase their sales during January, so they are putting promotions. They're making promotions so people would buy. So yun po. I'm just really grateful, guys. You see, early this morning it was foggy and it's really freezing cold. It's -4 earlier, I think, and now it's -2. That's why all the roads are frosty and it's quite slippery. And before, I don't have any choice but to go to work, because we need to earn income in order to buy the things that we need in order to live decently. But hi V, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Kumusta? So yes, even though you don't really want to get up early morning, but you need to, you need to get up in order to go to work. So now, since I decided to do this online business, thank you. Thanks, friend. Kayo dyan ba, meron bang wala namang winter dyan, ano? Yes, it's very cold here, but I like the cold weather. Yeah, kaya palagi akong keeping warm. Mahirap magkasakit. Ayun. So, ayun po, now, I'm just grateful na I have the choice to stay in bed and to get out whenever I want. Ayun po. That's the beauty of this business. Once you are getting good results, well, you can do this business full time. So I don't know where my where my son went. I was talking and walking, and I didn't know that he stopped on one of the shop. Look at him. Okay. Oo nga, dito ganyan ang yung medyo spring season and sometimes summer season, the 15 degree. Ayan. Dito ako sa yung anak ko lumalapit na sa akin. Tapos dito po ako dati nag-work noon. So ang hirap anuhin yung aking kamay ito. Yan, dyan po ako nag-work dati. Alam niyo yan, TK Maxx. So noon, whatever the weather is, even though it's snowing, it is raining so hard, and the wind is very strong. Well, even minsan I was nagtatangay na ako ng hangin habang umuulan, kaya basang-basa akong papasok ng work, yung damit ko. Pero I don't have a choice because I was only walking, going to work here. Puro salo. So yes, I was only walking because there's no bus from our home going here. So I just need to walk 15 to 20 minutes walk. Ayun po. So nakakatuwa lang po yung mga experience na yon ba, na na-realize nyo na pwede naman palang mabago, pwede naman palang magbago kung you are going to take action. Siyempre, we all have the opportunity to change our lives if you really want to, but you need to take a risk and take action. So that's what I did, guys. So even though at first, few years ago, I don't really have any technical skills or expertise doing an online business. Okay. Ingat, friend, and God bless you too. Sige. Regards din sa family. Bye. So, ayun po. I have no... Nasaan ako? Nawawala tuloy ako. Tinatanong ako ng anak ko. Punta tayo dito. Nag-ano lang po kami. Naglalakad-lakad lang po kami. And dito sa labas kasi para rin po sa exercise. Ayun. Kinakailangan nag-flow ng maayos yung dugo natin, yung circulation ng dugo. Kasi pag you are steady in one place, wala. Na mahirap kung walang exercise sa atin. Dahil syempre kailangan nating magkaroon ng malakas na pangangatawan every time. Ayun. So, thanks Tita Lani for watching. How's everyone? Ayun po. Anong sinasabi ko kanina na ako nawaglit sa isip ko. So ayun nga, we all have the choice if really want to change something in our lives. So when I found this business nga, I didn't have any experience, so nasabi ko kanina. But then since I saw that this business is very doable by everyone because there is a video-based training which is easy to follow. Kaya po, lahat po from all walks of life, even though they are already old, like 70, 60 plus. Some are already retired from different nationalities and profession. They are doing this business kasi they really want to achieve something. Maybe meron po silang mga goals na they cannot achieve while they're working, or habang nagwo-work hindi po nila ma-achieve. And through this business, they are slowly achieving it. Yun. So, yun po ang kagandahan ng business na to. Kadami-dami pong mga tao, yung nabago na ang buhay nila, including mine po. Napakaganda po ng gift na to para sa ating mga sarili. So, sa mga tao, to all those people who are looking to achieve their goals, maybe you can check this out, guys. This is really life-changing. And syempre, it's a business, so we need to have investment. Kinakailangan po natin maglabas ng pera. Wala naman pong mga business na walang puhunan, kahit tindahan o kahit yung mga fishbowl, nagpi-fishbowl, mayroong puhunan po, di ba? So lahat po ay meron pong ilalabas na investment para mag-start ng business. So, yun lang po. Ako po ay magtatapos na dito, and salamat for watching us or for watching me, and have a lovely Wednesday evening or morning or afternoon wherever you are, guys, and ingat po, and God bless you all. Bye!